Okay, setting up DocsInk's telehealth can be done in under 3 minutes. The first thing that we're going to do is from our Team Builder page, we're going to select the box in the upper right-hand corner, and then we're going to select the SMS Messenger. SMS Messenger is going to allow us to provision an SMS number for your account. This is going to give you the opportunity to send messages and video links directly from an SMS number that is not your personal number. So you should have ones that are associated with your area code. If you don't, go ahead and change the area code to a surrounding area code and find one that fits for you. Go ahead and click Save, and now you'll have a provisioned SMS number. Once we have our SMS number, we're going to add a patient location for these visits. The patient location for these visits is most likely going to be at home, so go ahead and select Practice, type in your home again, and then click Submit. Once you click Submit, the visit location has been saved and we can start to see patients. Tap the chat icon in the upper right is going to open your messenger, and then select Patients in the left-hand corner of your browser. Now let's go ahead and click the plus icon in the upper right to create our first patient. Go ahead and put in the patient's first name, their last name, date of birth. We already have the home selected as the location for the visit, and we can add our patient. Click Save, and the patient has been saved to your database. Now that we've added our patient, we're simply going to click on the patient's name. We're going to open the patient flyout, click on the down caret next to the patient's name, and click Invite to Session. You have started your first telehealth session, selecting the SMS and sending the link.